Okay, so today we are making pickles, fridge pickles to be exact. This is me cutting them up on the mandolin. We're also making pickled beets, which are my absolute favorite. No one else in this house really cares for them. I love them, so we're making them. The pickles, like on the mandolin, we add onions in. It's my mom's recipe. The beets is also my mom's recipe. They're delicious. If you would like the recipe, comment down below and follow along. We're doing cooking. This only took me 4 hours. It took me 4 hours to make a bunch of fridge pickles, a bunch of beets, pickled beets, and I think over 2 dozen, actually over 4 dozen about banana muffins plus banana bread. So that's not too bad for a day. Also, I felt like absolute crap while doing this, and I'm pretty sure I looked more and more like crap as I went throughout the day. I'm pouring the brine over them outside the jars because they shrink once the heat hits them, so then you can put more into the jar. These are my bloodbath beets. This doesn't really matter if you knock any air out, just because like you're putting them in the fridge. Best bet is you'll have them gone before their best before date anyway, which is supposed to be like 2 months. But these are, we put them on everything. We eat them out of the jar. My father-in-law drinks the juice. They're delicious and they don't require any water bathing. These are the beets. If you guys know a better way to get the skin off of beets, please let me know. I boiled them. I had to use like not the sharp side, but the dull side of a knife to get the skins off. They did not want to come off very easily. I did boil them and then put them into cold water to hopefully like loosen up the skins. Didn't work. Also, my mom had told me this, put a cookie sheet under a cooling rack and it helps catch all that juice while you're doing all of this. And then it's not going all over your floors and anywhere else. And don't wear good clothes because like your hands are going to be stained for at least a week. We had made beef jerky yesterday, and I was making a video to show you guys. I did in the pouring rain, and it is absolutely delicious. I think I've been living off of that and the banana bread muffins all day, as I've been doing all of this. If you'd like a jerky recipe or a jerky video, let me know below. With the banana muffins, I vacuum sealed them afterwards so that I can freeze them. I also did vacuum seal some of the jerky just because we don't need the entire batch out or else it's going to go bad. The beets are jarred so they are shelf stable. And the fridge, once they cool down, you can place them right into the fridge. You leave them for a week and then you can eat them after that. You just kind of shake them up every here and there. Yeah, see, that is a lot of banana muffins. Yeah, we're vacuum sealing those. I can't eat all of those at once. We're still dealing with Halloween candy over here that my kids don't seem to want to eat. Anyway, keep following along, guys. Let me know any of your favorite recipes or anything at that like that. I would love to even hear your guys' input on the recipes that I have shown you.